Hammy Kids!
Duggee!
Woof!
Hey, Duggee!
The counting bag. Who wants to play? Are you ready to do some counting, squirrels?
Yay!
It's time to practice our counting.
Woof!
What's the weather like outside? It's very wet outside. What day of the week is it? Today is Thursday, the 28th of September. Tap the screen to start. Tap the button which has the amount of items to add up to the other group. Let's try to add up. What great adding! 3 plus 2 makes 5. Line up these items from small to big. Let's line up these totem poles from small to big. They're lined up very neatly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number matches the amount of items on the screen? How many birds are there? No, not that. That's not quite the right number. No, not that number. That's the correct number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Drag items into their correct... Let's put the pizza toppings on the correct pizza. Remember to count along.
Nice. Good work!
Everything is back in place. Which has more? Tap that one. Which has more? Tap that one. Yes, there are more of that type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing counting. Have a star. Tap the screen to do some more counting.